today I have another delicious cocktail for you coming from the Vegan Wine Project. We're going to be using their Cuvée and we're going to be making a Bitters and Cuvée. Another delicious cocktail that is super simple that only contains 4 ingredients. Your Cuvée, your lemon, bitters, and a little bit of sugar. So what are we going to do? We are going to pop the top of this bottle and we're going to get into this cocktail. Okay, so with this cocktail, your first ingredient is just a spoon full of sugar. What does a spoonful of sugar do? Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. Anyway, on that note, we'll have your bitters. You're gonna add 6 to 8 dashes, so I'm gonna go for 8. This glass is a little bit bigger than, look a little bit on the table. And then once you've got your 6 to 8 little dashes in there, just give it a little mix, mix-a-rooney. Now it might be looking a little bit sugary, but it is a weekend. I'm actually going to a day party today, so I need the energy. Once that's in there and mixed up, all you do, you just pop the pumpkin. So there we go, give her a fill. Look at that. And you know it's not wine if it's not poured. Wait, holding it like this. Because this is a sophisticated pour. Apparently so. Apparently so. Anyway, your lemon. Now your lemon really, it's just added for the garnish. So all I'm doing is I'm just gonna get a bit of the zest, which is actually like the peel. I'm just gonna get that off there. Now remove the inner center of that. Get all that juice out of there. And this is just to make it look a bit pretty, You just hang a little bit and floating around. Look at that. Look at that. Now that is a drink fit for me. And you should try it too. Anyway, what do we do? At the end of every video, we try the cocktail. No, it's good, it's good. It's really good. Oh, I'm gonna be having a couple of these.